Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, friends and fans of BMW in Malaysia. I'm Sashi Ambi, Head of Corporate Communications of the BMW Group in Malaysia. And today I'm here with my colleague, Harold Holzel, Managing Director and CEO, BMW Group Malaysia.
Hi, Sashi.
Hi. And we're here to launch the all-new BMW X5 xDrive45e.
M Sport.
That's right, M Sport plug-in hybrid vehicle in Malaysia for the very first time. Now the BMW X5 takes our story of electrified mobility, Joy.Electrified by eye to the next level. Am I right, Harold?
Yes, actually today is a really exciting day for us since we are bringing the X5 launch home to you. Selamat tengah hari tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, ladies and gentlemen, friends of the brand BMW. We started already more than 40 years ago actually to develop an electric vehicle at the BMW Group in Munich in 1972, the so-called 1602e. And it was, I don't know if you know that, Sashi, used as the lead car at the Olympic Marathon.
Yeah, exactly. But I think for us in Malaysia, electrified mobility began in 2015 with the predecessor of this car, the all-new BMW X5 xDrive45e M Sport.
Now with a six-cylinder engine.
Exactly, now with the six-cylinder engine. And electrified mobility is the new norm. You can see the cars all across the country, but at the same time, the charging infrastructure and even our production and investments back at our plant in Kulim has increased as well.
That's a good point. And we are really proud about that, that not only the car is assembled in our assembly plant, but also the engine. And it was always our target to move the capabilities of the automotive industry in Malaysia forward, not only in Malaysia, but also from a regional perspective.
Exactly. And I think now we shouldn't keep our fans waiting. We have a new car to introduce to them, and I think we should do that.
Without further ado, let's have a look.
Let's go.
And Sashi, as you have mentioned already before, we started to introduce plug-in hybrids already 5 years ago. And to the existing lineup, which exists out of the 7 Series and the 5 Series, we are adding today the new X5.
Exactly. And I can already imagine we're getting a lot of questions regarding the new.
Let's first present the car, and I think a lot of questions will be answered then.
Take it away, Harold.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the all-new X5 plug-in hybrid.
M Sport 6-cylinder.
Excellent. There are many reasons why the BMW X5 is known as the boss, and there is no exception with this new vehicle. Sashi, let's have a look at our all-new X5, and you can see it comes already with a very, very strong presence. Strong design lines, flared wheel arches, and a very powerful stance. I can see it already now driving on the roads, and you can see it with great performance and pace.
Exactly, Harold. And this is exactly what we want to communicate with the all-new BMW X5 plug-in hybrid. Ultimate electrified driving pleasure and performance. Now, if you look at the engine of the vehicle, we're looking at an inline straight 6 3-liter engine mated to electric motor. Now, combined, the engine delivers 394 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque.
Wow.
Now, for a vehicle of this size, it's able to travel 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds. In terms of fuel consumption, we're looking at 2.5 liters per 100 kilometers. But in terms of CO2 emissions, we're looking at 56 grams per kilometer.
That's right.
And this is the best in its class.
Sashi, that's really impressive, but I have even more impressive KPIs for you. The electric driving capabilities of this car is really great. The new range is 77 kilometers. That's 45 or more than the double compared to its predecessor. And I'm already looking forward to use the new X5 plug-in hybrid to commute from Bangsa to Cyberjaya and back in a fully electric mode. And top speed in a pure electric mode is 135 compared to the predecessor, which came with 120 kilometers per hour. So this package is really fantastic, cutting-edge drivetrain technology, and I think the best package when it comes to driving dynamics on the market.
Very impressive in terms of driving dynamics, Harold. The all-new BMW X5 plug-in hybrid is also a luxurious vehicle. Now we can experience this from its exterior expression, but it also offers luxurious and premium comforts inside the vehicle. Maybe we should go in and have a look.
Let's have a look, Sashi. The new X5 PHEV comes with Comfort Access 2.0, where the doors automatically unlock about 1 meter from when reaching the vehicle and locking about 2 meters when walking away from the vehicle. And with NFC-enabled smartphones, you can open and close the doors as well.
For us at BMW, innovation is modern luxury, and nothing describes it more than the all-new BMW X5 plug-in hybrid. The moment we sit in the car, especially in the front, you'll realize that the front instrument cluster is clean, direct, and crisp. For the first time, innovation comes out to us directly in terms of the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, offering a fully digitalized instrument cluster and a freestanding 12.3 control display. Now, the control display can be accessed via touchscreen, via gesture control, and voice control. Let's give it a try. Hello, BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
Play USB.
I'm playing USB.
Was a little bit too loud. Should we have a look in the back?
Nice sound system, more luxury at the back. Let's go.
Okay. And Sashi, as soon as you enter the back, you will experience great roominess. And I think it's not only joy to drive this car, I think you also would enjoy to be driven in this car. And what I really like are those 10.2-inch touchscreens. What about you?
Yeah, it mirrors the BMW Live Cockpit Professional that's up in front with the freestanding screen. But I think luxury in terms of a vehicle like this is described in space, and nothing describes it the best than what's in the boot. So maybe we need to go to the back and see what's the luxury that's in the boot.
Okay, let's go. But Sashi, please don't be too philosophical about the trunk, okay?
I'll try not to. Now, you demonstrated Comfort Access 2.0 with the doors, and this is also present with the boot, which can be accessed via the automatic tailgate function. And it's very simple. One kick and the boot opens.
Wow, and you can actually bring a couple of bikes with you.
Yeah, what you see here is 500 liters, but then it extends further if you put the seats forward and you get 1,720 liters.
Wow, that's a lot. That's really a lot.
So Harold, can you tell us the colors on these cars?
Of course, I can tell you the colors of the car. It's Arctic Grey, it's Black Sapphire, it's Pythonic Blue, and this wonderful Mineral White. And that's not everything. It comes with the BMW Loyalty Program, 5 years warranty, and now new our PHEV battery warranty package with 160,000 kilometers and 8 years validity. And all this is actually available from today at our dealerships for 440,745 ringgit. Sashi, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining in. Have a good day.
Thank you, Harold.
Thanks, Sashi.
See you guys.
See you. Cheers. Bye.
You guys are still here. Okay, awesome. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share to the Speeding Mole for the latest automotive updates, news, events, grassroots events especially. Stay tuned to the speeding mole.